Fifth class maths workbook worksheet 1. Add the following numbers. First one 8709. Next 9708. First one 8709. Third one 11296. Additions those are. Next do the following additions. 8047 plus 6113 total 14160. Next find the sum of producer and successor of 1420. Procedure of the sum amount 1419. Successor of the sum amount in rupees 1420. Total amount 2840. టోటల్ నంబర్స్ అన్నమాట ఇవి అక్కడ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి రాణి హ్యాస్ 6589. శివ హ్యాస్ 1508 more money than Rani. Find the total amount with Rani and Siva. Rani has money 6589. Rani has money 6589. Siva has more than Rani 1508. Next the Siva has money 8079. Total amount of Rani and Siva 4668. Exercise worksheet 2. Addition. Do the following addition. 3 additions are do. Here first one 13. 1,35,008. 1,21,696. Third one 1,22,221. Do the following. Before calculating, estimate the answer for the following additions. Then find the before calculating, estimate the answers the following addition. Exact sum. లెక్కించక ముందు నుండి కూడికల మొత్తాలను అంచనా వేసి తర్వాత ఖచ్చితత్వ మొత్తాలను కనుగొనాలన్నమాట. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 60,000 50,000 అప్రాక్సిమేట్ 11 9 1,12,000 approx. Estimate cost 1 lakh. 1 lakh. First one, second one. Those two are estimate costs 1 lakhs. Whoever estimates close the exact sum plain. Yes, our estimations closed the exact sums. Next, there are 78,449 sacks of flour and 50,774 sacks of the rices in the store. The shopkeeper received 48,557 sacks of pulses today. Then ఈ విధంగా ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. దేర్ ఆర్ సాక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోర్ 78,449 sacks of rice 55,774 sacks of pulses 57,000 total cost rupees 1,82,780. Next, write the mathematical statement. 3 amounts plus 3 amounts యాడ్ చేయాలి, అప్పుడు టోటల్ అమౌంట్ వస్తుందన్నమాట. 1,82,780. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్. కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది చైర్. The prices of the 3 items are given below. Cost of the chair, cost of the table, whiteboard. Sumati wants to buy 1 office chair, 1 table and 1 whiteboard. What is the total amount she has to pay? Cost of the chair 8,699. Cost of the table 3,650. Cost of the whiteboards 1,550. Total Sumati pay the total amount is 13,899. Next, worksheet 3. Do the following subtractions. First one, second one, third one are subtract. Next, second one. What number should be written in the box? 6,025. Less than in 16,225. Next, B. In the box 38,389. Next, Hima has money. Ajay has less than Hima. Hima has money 9,679. Ajay has less than Hima 1,400. Therefore, Ajay has money 7,279.